Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Poco M5s, and in this video I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start off, I'm going to show how you can lock your screen with your own fingerprint. So in order to enroll this feature, you gotta launch settings, then go into the passwords and security category. In here, tap on the respective fingerprint unlock field. Choose what backup screen lock method you would like to use, pattern, pin or password. I'll go with pattern. Then click on the got it button once, it allows you to, of course, draw the pattern that you would like to use. Then redraw it to confirm. After that, you can start enrolling the fingerprint. The scanner is located at the side power key, so just lay and lift your finger onto it until the entire surface of your finger will be successfully scanned. Make sure to slightly rotate the finger each time you lay it onto the sensor. Finally, I'll finish the process by enrolling all the edges of my fingerprint. Great success. Now I'll go ahead and test this feature out, see how well it works. As you can see, the screen gets unlocked without any issues at all, fairly swiftly. So, great success. Moving on to the next feature for this video, that is the always on display function and how you can set it up. So in order to do that, you gotta launch settings again, enter the always on display and lock screen category, go for the respective section, switch this toggle on. Now the AOD is successfully activated. After that, you can choose what display mode it will be in. So for example, in here, unfortunately, actually, you will not be able to do that since it is only one mode available to us. That is for 10 seconds after tapping. You can only switch on or off the automatic deactivation of AOD once the battery saver feature is on. Then you can choose its design, for example, the signature. You can write custom text as well if you would like to. Set analog clock, theme, kaleidoscope, digital clock, or some background from the list of available images and pictures. You can also set your custom image as well. So let's say I'll choose the one I have in my gallery, like this one, for example. Choose what text color you'll have, the clock position, and the elements that will be indicated. Next, you gotta click on the apply button, and once I lock my screen and tap on it, I'll see the AOD that I have recently, or that I have just set up. Moving on to the next function for this video, that is a very useful feature once you have spilled some water on your device, or maybe even entirely dropped it into liquid water. In most cases it is water, and your speakers have gotten flooded a little bit. So in order to fix that, you can go to the settings, enter the additional settings, I suppose, or no, the special features category. My bad, excuse me. Then it is not it. Alrighty, yeah, then it's gotta be the additional settings. Yep, here it is, the clear speaker. Switch this toggle on. Then, turn on the volume. Let the sound run for 30 seconds and it will definitely help you to clear out the most water from the speakers. You can also repeat this procedure for, as you can see, 2 to 5 times in order to increase the efficiency and make sure to, do the best that you can in order to unfloat the speakerphone. Then you can also shake the phone and what's not, but I've figured that it's a very useful feature to have since, the water spills and some other stuff that can trash the speaker of this on any device, basically on any phone, happens fairly often, if you'd ask me. So it's a cool feature to have indeed. The next one is the smallest of all the features that you will see in this video. To start off, as you can see at the status bar right now, my battery does not show the percentage, so I can kind of eyeball how much power I have left. But in order for me to exactly know the amount of battery life I have left, I gotta swipe downwards. It is not even displayed in this case, which is bad, I would assume. So in order for you to enable the battery percentage visibility, you gotta enter settings, then go to the notifications and control center section, then go for the status bar. In here, expand the values or available battery indicator options and just choose the percentage either inside the icon or right next to it. Moving on to fifth and final feature of this video, that is located at the additional settings category. You will not fool me this time. It is called the memory extension, and it allows you to increase the random access memory amount that you have by default, which is 6 GB, by additional 2 GB by occupying the respective internal storage space. So right now we have 6 GB, which I'll show you by going to the About Phone and All Specs section. As you can see, the RAM amount is 6, so once we will turn this feature on, extend our random access memory amount and reboot the phone. So now we'll wait until the system gets restarted. Alrighty, so now the system has been successfully rebooted. I'll go to the settings once the home screen gets loaded, which might take a while. So I'll open up the same About Phone category, go for the all specifications, and in here, as you can see, it clearly indicates that the additional 2 GB of RAM has been successfully added to the default 6 already. So that would be not only for the last tip, but for this video in general. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention, guys, and bye-bye.